Are you just the cutest little thing I've ever seen? Tiny thing. What is it?
We have some serious packages that need to be opened. Starting with LA. This is Natalie's company. We have a little tube top. This little top has an open back. Same top in black. This is from Palme Ceramic. You guys definitely know my obsession with this girl when I show you what I got. How beautiful.
That's nice, right? Oh, you gave it a kiss? Thank you. We're gonna wash that. Give it a kiss.
So I have a matching mug to this, but like a little side of almond milk or whatever milk you drink, and then
it matches you.
So I guess Say's come out with a new concealer. This is a brush.
Boop, boop, boop. Let me brush your face. Can I brush it? Let me go. Let me put a little stuff on your nose, put it on your cheeks, on your other cheeks.
Slip tint. I'm excited to try all this. I've never tried any of this. I just opened up everything so I could show you a bit easier. These earrings are from a company called Soru. They're cute. Love it. Meshki sent some workout stuff. Like these black leggings, long sleeve, black workout top. DVF sent some really pretty wrap dresses. So this little one, and this one, which would be so cute with little boots. And this one is really fun as well. Oh, I have to show you guys, I switched my phone case. This one is my new obsession from Casetify. Look how funny. I love this collection from them. Okay, let's really talk about the phone case for a second. These are Casetify's Impact phone cases. I really love the designs of these cute little cases. They have some really, really pretty, like, quirky, fun ones that I like. I think that's funnier for a phone case, is to look at something and laugh. This little thing on the toilet makes me laugh. I'll show you guys the page. They have all sorts of cases. I kind of just wanted to switch it up. I've really been into Casetify ever since working with them because I really trust their phone cases. Like, I could drop it from a 20-foot cliff or shelf or my stairway or whatever and it wouldn't break, which I feel like we should put to the test. Okay, I'm gonna go from up there and drop it. I'm a little bit nervous about this, but I trust Casetify. Okay, so let's say you're just walking down the stairs and you drop your phone. Is this too high? Casetify, I'm gonna be so pissed if my phone breaks. Oh no, I dropped it. Okay, wait, I won't even touch it. Hold on. Here she is, completely fine. Oh, Inception. Please go to casetify.com/Olivia Jade to see my pics. We gotta go to my dad's office. I'm so excited. I just got to my dad's office.
Hello.
Hello. I just got home from the office. I am going to make a bread that is Candida friendly. It's like buckwheat, millet, gluten-free rolled oats, psyllium husks, baking powder. It's actually really easy to make, and I think it's pretty good for like Candida bread. I have to eat like this for like 8 weeks, but it's fine. I've been soaking my ingredients. These are the walnuts, the sunflower seeds, and then at the bottom is the millet and the buckwheat. My bread is in the oven, so we are going to do the rest of this room. Good morning. It's a new day. I feel like I've done such a good job spring cleaning. I'm so proud of myself. But, sorry, my hair. I've actually saved the worst for last, which is the closet and then the room I'm standing in. I think I'm gonna start with the closet today and we'll end on this room. I'm overwhelmed just thinking about it. Honestly, these two rooms are just awful in terms of clutter and buildup and stuff. It's just gonna be a lot, so. I think why these will be the hardest too is because I have to get rid of so many clothes and I feel like I do clean outs pretty often and I just don't know what to get rid of, and I don't know if I want to part ways with stuff, but I have too much stuff and I don't need it. Somebody else could use it way more than me, so that's the goal. Okay, let's do it. So I'm gonna hope for the best. I think the goal is just to get rid of a lot more than I'm comfortable with. I think I'm taking spring cleaning to like a whole new level of serious, so I'm getting rid of more than I'm comfortable with, and that's that. So I've only done one section so far, but the section I did looks gorgeous. This is the section I don't want to do at all. Honestly, these next three sections, the last ones, no interest. we are doing the final room in this like spring clean, which is, it's kind of like my closet filming makeup storage room. This has been put off for a really long time. I have too much stuff and it's daunting and I don't want to deal with it. And so I've just let it pile up, pile up, pile up. And now it's time to say goodbye to the clutter. I'm gonna go downstairs and grab some trash bags, and then I think we just get right into it. I think we start with the coats and the purses. I feel like that's the best bet, and then we get into product. So you wouldn't believe what happened to me. I pulled a muscle in my back from cleaning, I think. If I sneezed or coughed or breathed, it felt like I was like having a heart attack. I had a physical therapist come to my house this morning. He basically beat the shit out of my body and I can like raise my arm now. I still feel it a little. It got really bad when I was doing this room in the closet clean out. And I only ended up finishing like this and the actual vanity, and I hadn't done any of this, and I still haven't. I don't know when I'm gonna do that side of things. I feel like maybe I should just wait till I feel better before I'm like reaching and grabbing stuff, and like, you know, like I just feel like carrying the trash bags and then like having my hands up all the time like probably aggravated something that was coming either way. This is what the after looks like. I also feel like on the camera it looks more cluttered than it feels in real life. In real life, this doesn't feel that crazy. I mean, okay, it's crazy. I have too much shit. I know it. I am the problem. You do you, I do me. We don't have to judge one another. It's all good. Before I broke my back, I completed this side of the room and the IKEA makeup vanity situation. Now we have these. And I have this closet, and that's pretty much it. Pretty random, but I'm just gonna do like tripods, ironing board, that type of stuff. Iron, then Theragun and a posture corrector. And then I just did like little lights, some like hard drives, and headphones and stuff. suitcase. Okay, it looks pretty much like it has no color. It's not that exciting to see. Because I cleaned my kitchen, I didn't know I had these things before. That's the fun part about a clean environment. I'm gonna make myself a piece of avocado toast when it's cooled. I am going to end this video here. Thank you guys all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure to comment other videos you guys want to see if you like more fashion, more makeup. I hope everybody's been having a really good week and has a great weekend. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.